Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. This is the second video of mobile remote controlled rocket launcher. In the first part we have assembled the electronic parts, and in this video we are going to assemble the mobile unit. Those who have not seen the first part, please watch it. I have given the link in the description box. We are going to assemble the electronics part that we have already built, missile tube, ignition coil, etc. in this remote control toy car. I recommend you to buy a good remote control toy car than this, because this was a bit cheaper and is very tough to move with a heavy weight. We are using lithium-ion 18650 battery, which is a bit heavier with respect to the motor inside this car. We will disconnect the batteries which are connected inside this car, and we will use a lithium-ion battery for powering this car. We will connect two 18650 batteries in parallel and will use the same battery to power the car as well as the electronic components of the mobile rocket launcher. The car is by default powered using three 1.5 volt batteries, that means 4.5 volt battery, and the lithium-ion battery when fully charged will become 4.2 volt. So with the help of that charge, the car will function pretty well. These tubes will act as missile tubes. I have got this from my nearby scrap shop, and we are fixing the ignition coil at the tip of this missile tube, and the rocket will be placed in this missile tube. We have to fix this missile tube on top of the car. For that I am using a small sheet of multiwood and will fix this using glue gun. I will show you the multiwood sheet.
കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് ഈ വയർ. ഇവിടെ ഇതിനൊരു ചാർജിങ് വല്ല എത്തി കൂടെ
Out of 4, 1 rocket has failed because the filament fire didn't reach inside.
ഇതിൻ്റെ ഫിലമെൻറ്റ് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാം എന്താണ് കണ്ടീഷൻ എന്ന്. ഫിലമെൻറ്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ആണ്, ഒരു പ്രശ്നമില്ല. ഫിലമെൻറ്റിനൊന്നും ഒരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഈ റോക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ ഈ ഒരു അംശം പോലും ഫിലമെൻറ്റിലൊന്നും ടച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി അടുത്ത റോക്കറ്റ് വരും.
If you have any doubt or suggestions, please comment on this video. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.